again, Josh Cassick, coming to you here for another video. And today, well, we're going to do something very special today. So, what we are going to do is open a geode. Now, if you don't know what a geode is, it is... Oh, it wasn't that. That was Geodude. This is a geode. Okay? Now, understand, I am touching this, okay? If you touch a geode, alright, I'm telling you right now, wash your hands after you touch a geode. Why? Because it could be toxic to if any of this or anything on this gets into your body. You could die. I'm literally telling you. Wash your hands after you touch this. But, so I don't recommend you getting a geode and touching it. I don't recommend it, okay? But if you do, remember to wash your hands, okay? Now, we are going to put it in this sock. Why? So that the stuff, the rock pieces do not go everywhere and release into the air. We don't want that. That could be very bad. Alright, so we got our geode here, and we got this hammer. Alright, so you want one, press. Well, okay, so you guys want to finally know what a geode looks like? Was it correct? This is what a geode looks like inside. Isn't it a beauty? Try to get up close to see it. Here's another look at it. Now, I had this for years, and I didn't open it for years. So, it might not look as beautiful as it probably was if I did it early, but it could also depend on how I did it. But here's another form of it. So, as you can see. Alright, well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please turn to my next video. Thank you. Goodbye.